Imagine yourself in this Kia 2018 Forte LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage, clock and dash, external temperature display and front seat type, bucket. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.